Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss Salesforce CPQ and how to filter your product selection by using the product filters as well as the search bar. If you have a lot of products within your Salesforce CPQ instance, it could be hard to find the specific product that you're looking for. So having the option to filter down your list is a pretty powerful tool. To use the search filters, on the top right bar, click Filter. If I know the specific product code or product name, I can go into these fields, type it, and then click Apply, or I can use the product family dropdown, select Hardware, and then click Apply and see my list filter accordingly. Alternatively, I can edit the available fields in my product filter list by going to the top right, clicking the gear, and then Setup, navigating to the product object, clicking the field sets, and then search filters. I'll go ahead and edit this list to add region, click Save, and when I go back to my quote, refresh the page, click Add Products, and then click on my filters. Since region is a multi-select field, I can select multiple, and then click Apply. Alternatively, I can just use the search bar at the top and use a broad keyword such as battery, click Enter, and it will search across all available fields and return my results accordingly. To recap, Salesforce CPQ gives you a few options to filter down your product selections, whether it be the broad search or using product filters that are customizable by your Salesforce admin. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.